So we have Molly, remote control Molly 2009 Mattel. It's missing the battery cover and comes with batteries. Right, it's in the on position. No sounds at all. First thing I gotta check is the batteries have power. So that means something wrong with the remote. There is a lot of grease situation here. I don't know if that's the problem, but I'm gonna do a little cleaning. That looks way better. Now we have control, but I cannot hear any sound coming out of the the remote. And actually the Molly is actually very smooth. There is no noisy call. It's working, and we can test these buttons. So that means the problem is on the speaker. The speaker is located right here. Wrong screwdriver. So I'm gonna show you, if just in case you ever encounter this problem. Again, we're gonna take our time and show step by step on this process right here. So we might need a new or a replacement speaker. So you remove these 3 screws and carefully pull this thing out. Pull the speaker out. Sometimes it does have glue, and as you can notice, it looks okay, but we're gonna replace for another one. And today we have a pack of 2 Plush lined eyeglasses holders, stand protective glasses or case for desk or nightstands in which you can put your glasses so you don't scratch them. They are really nice, and here's the Plush, very nice. Excellent. Thank you to this company for sending us this pair of Plush holders. Check the link in the description. I have a lot of steam alone parts, and I have another box. Also, you can get the speaker from here's one from a Talking Engines. So I think it's the speaker. We are going to remove it first. I don't think this speaker from the Steam Alone works, but I have James here, Talking James. This one looks decent. It looks better. This is the one from Molly, and here is the spare part from James. Now we do some tests. We have sound. Sound is working. And let me check this remote. Okay. Yep. Works. Excellent. Now we just assemble all the parts back to where they came from. This tiny screw is for this hole right here. So far so good. I hope you guys learn how to fix this. Remember, we got the speaker from Donor. That's a Talking James that wasn't working properly. We used it for parts, and obviously we cleaned this piece, metal plate, so it works now. Now I need to find a battery cover, since this did not came with the battery cover. I think I might have another Molly laying around somewhere. Good, excellent. I'm gonna look for the battery cover, see if I can find it. I searched through all these boxes, couldn't find it, and neither in here, but I found a bunch that I will use for fix and repair coming soon. I am not gonna look for through these boxes, that's too much only for battery cover. Well, at least the remote works now. I found this bag with some diesel parts, and I wonder what's going on with this. I think it's missing one cog, or maybe not. It's missing, oh yeah, I see what's going on. It's missing a piece right here, battery terminal. Now I found a motor, complete motor, in another baggie. I wonder if this thing works. Let me check, because I have an idea. See, I have one, two, but this one, let me show you. This one is kind of warped. I forgot this on the oven, and this one is missing one tab, but I think it's okay. Now let's see. It works good. So I don't know why I had this laying around. It just needs a little cleaning. But other than that, I don't remember if this there does not affect the performance. How cool is that? Yeah, excellent. I might put it for sale. Check the link in the description. If it's gone, it's gone. It's a custom. The only thing missing is one tab right here, and I gotta do some cleaning. Nice.